What to do if your Metro Network app is not working. Alright, so first you have to make sure that your app is up to date. To check that, just open your Play Store or your App Store. And if you can say this play or open button right here, that means it's up to date. But if you see an update option, you can just tap on update to update the app. The first method is updating. After you have done that, what you can do is you can clear the cache of the app. So long press on the app to open the app info. Once you're inside app info, what you can do is go to storage and you can clear cache because sometimes the junk files and your cache files prevent it from running. So once you have done that, this should fix the problem. If this still doesn't fixes it, what you can do is go to permissions and allow all of these permissions for the app to run better. Once you have done that, your app should be up and running. But even after all of that, it still doesn't work. What you can do is uninstall the app and reinstall it. This should fix all of your problem, and make sure to restart your phone once after you've uninstalled the app. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.